everyone! Welcome back to your course, Chemistry for Engineers Laboratory. This is your instructor, Engineer Jonaika A. Tapiador. Previously, I already showed you the theoretical discussion behind your experiment number 4, Mechanical Properties of Materials. Today, you will be performing experiment number 5, Water Purification. I will just be showing you a very short simulation activity and then you will be doing it on your own. So as with any experiment proper that we had, I will be providing you a link wherein you get to perform the virtual experiment. So when you go to the link, it will show you this particular interface. You have to make sure that you enable your Adobe Flash player. So it says here on the left side, when is water safe to drink? So you have a very short theoretical discussion here that you have to read in order for you to understand what are the things that you need to test when it comes to your water. And also at the end of the discussion, it will show you the procedure. So dito po, there's the procedure on how you could actually perform the simulation activity. But nevertheless, I will be showing you just one activity for this. So as you can see here, you have your city. However, diba, hindi lang po city water yung itetest natin. We have other types of water that you need to test. So, yung nandito is city, but when you click on this arrow, it will prompt you to another type of water. So, you have your lake. You also have your mountain. You also have your rural. You also have a well water. Yun lang naman po. And for this simulation activity, I will be showing you the test for your mountain water. So let's go to your mountain water. So there. So andito na po yung mountain water. And of course, what you have to do is to test the water first by clicking on this particular button. So click on test. So as you can see here in the table, you have your contaminant here on the first column, followed by the results on the second column, and of course the safe range on the third column. So if you take a look at the first one, acidity, the result that we got is 6.8. And looking at the last column, the safe range is 6.5 to 8.5. So meaning the acidity level of our water is within the safe range. Going to the second contaminant, you have your metals. The safe range is less than 1.3 milligrams per liter. And the result that we got is 0.006 milligrams per liter in terms of iron. So meaning, safe po siya in terms of metal kasi less than 1.3. And the third type of contaminant is your coliform bacteria, wherein the safe range is dapat 0 per 100 ml of water. And in the results, we got 0 per 100 ml of water. So meaning safe po yung ating water in terms of coliform. The fourth one is your pesticides or herbicides. And the safe range is at 0.04 milligrams per liter. And what we got in the results is 0.0001 milligrams per liter in terms of your carbofuran. And lastly, your nitrate level. If you take a look at the safe range, it should be less than 10 milligrams per liter. However, the test results showed that it contains 12.4 milligrams per liter. So, ibig sabihin po, medyo mataas yung nitrate level ng ating water sample. So what do we do? The only thing that we have to treat in terms of of this sample of water is your nitrate level. So how will we treat the nitrate? So if you scroll down, so makikita nyo dito, you have acidity, bacteria, nitrates, metals, pesticide. Clicking on those buttons would actually show you the treatment process that the water should undergo in order for the contaminant to be treated. So again, let's click on nitrates. So it says there, nitrates in water can be removed by adding activated carbon during the treatment process, and the water should also be chlorinated at the end of the process. So let's take note of that. We have to add activated carbon and chlorine at the end of the process. Now, if alam nyo na po kung paano ititreat si water, the next thing that you do is to go to this particular button which says go to treatment. So this is a sample of a water treatment facility. Virtual lang naman yan, pero naka-shortcut na po kasi lahat ng processes niya. So if you click on this, if you try then to hover, just hover your mouse over this, clicking on this particular valve would mean that you have to add chlorine at the beginning of the purification process. Pag dito naman, this particular valve will add activated carbon to the water. This valve will add zinc orthophosphate to your water. This valve will add chlorine at the end of the purification process. And this valve would add sodium hydroxide to the water. So, syempre, mountain water po yung gusto nating i-treat. And sabi doon, di ba, nitrates, you have to use activated carbon and add chlorine at the end of the process. So, let's add activated carbon. You click on that. So, mag-iilaw siya, pag active siya. And of course, chlorine, let's click on this valve. So, naka-on na si activated carbon, tsaka naka-on na din si chlorine at the end of the process. And then, you have to click this particular treatment switch para mag-start yung water treatment. So, yan. Ibig sabihin po, pag once you click on that particular treatment switch, ito naman, i-indicate niya kung safe or unsafe po yung water na trinate nyo. So, as you can see, makikita naman po, safe na po yung ating water. So, that's just a very short simulation activity. You will be doing the same activity following other types of water, just like your city water, your well water, rural water, lake water. And of course, pati yung mountain water, gagawin nyo din po. So, I think that's it for this particular video. You would need, of course, to answer the activity format that I have uploaded in the modules tab as well. So, make sure to answer the experiment and the questions at the end of the activity. So, don't forget, class, to click and subscribe to this channel for you to be updated for upcoming posts and videos regarding your courses. So, that's it. Stay home, stay healthy, and stay safe. Goodbye, everyone.